Oh, it's a good fish. What's going on, YouTube? All right, guys, we're getting ready to push out at some random spot here at Lake Guntersville. I originally wanted to push out at Goose Pond boat ramp, but I mean, there is no spots for kayaks to be able to get out. I mean, you could use the ramp that the boats actually use, but I mean, you'd have to be really quick. I got so much equipment I'm putting on my boat. I'm gonna be taking up too much time at the ramp. Do not hold up boat ramps, guys. You will not be liked at all. In fact, you'll probably get yelled at. But hey, point is, we're pushing out to some random spot and we're gonna make it work. Probably gonna bang up the boat a little bit. Who am I to complain? I'm going fishing, man. I can't complain. This is a good day. It's supposed to be a good day. Bringing you guys along. We're gonna get on the water. Let's just go catch some fish. That's what the goal is today. Who cares? Let's see where it takes us, man. It looks so good. 85 degrees out today. Super hot. All right, I'm not gonna waste any more time, man. I wanna get out here. I gotta navigate through all these rocks, drop down a bank a little bit. But let me get this kayak in the water real quick. Let's go catch some fish, man. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Shout out to my wife. There's a big gar right there. Sun's up real high right now, super hot. Man, this is just delicious. Yeah, we gotta tie a frog on. We're gonna put the poles down, get a frog on real quick. I don't know if you guys can hear the popping like I can. Oh, look at that. Oh, big old carp. Carp just bombed up. And I got a bunch of movement over here. Man, that was a monster carp. I actually really appreciate it when boats go by on plane like that. When they slow down because they're worried about you coming off your kayak with them going by, and it's like, dude, you slowing down is going to make things 10 times worse. It's going to put off a much bigger wake. Going by on plane, look at this. It's a little ripple. It's done and over with in just a moment. Much appreciated. Got a striking frog on right here. Got a booyah to back it up. See what we can do. Oh, big fish. Holy shit. Pulled way too soon. Rookie mistake. And I haven't fished topwater in several months. See a big old fish come out of the water and you just instinct. I don't have anything to throw after it either. I don't have a punching rig at all. Tied on. Saw a fish back there, take one. It's definitely topwater time, man. I saw that big ring come up underneath it. Saw a little part come out and I thought it had it. And I pull, I see my frog come out, and then the big body comes out, like when he finally actually committed. And it's like, gosh, man. Gosh, I'm kicking myself. I mean, I'm confident I'm gonna get another bite on this frog here. This is just too perfect of a spot. Damn! That was a big old bass. All right, they're turning on right now, guys. I got more movement right here by my bait. Got some movement. Oh, huge movement out there. Oh, there we go. Got her. Not a bad little fish, man. There you go. Man, it's like one hit right here, took mine, and then right off to the left, I see another one. Another one was coming at it. So little guy, what's up, buddy? Got him with that froggy. Nice little 1 pounder. Oh, jump in the boat. All right, let's get us another one, guys. Here we go, got some movement. Got moving right here in front of me. Oh, didn't even see it take it. Oh, this is a good fish. I was just wrapped up. Not a bad fish at all. There you go. I'm pointing out fish. I don't even realize one takes mine. There you go. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. All right, old girl. Definitely an upgrade. Big fatty. Oh, they're biting good, man. Okay, and they're liking this brown frog. I didn't even... I'm pointing out that I have a swirl going on right next to me. And then it just kind of popped up and took it. I just started feeling this heavy pull on me. I'm like, oh, that's a hook, baby. I'm gonna move deeper in over here. Try to be as stealth as I possibly can. Okay. Put the poles down here. Get us in closer to all the madness. Oh yeah. Got him. Oh, it's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. He's all tangled up. Jeez. He's just like playing dead right there. Oh. That's a freaking gar, isn't it? There you go. There you go, buddy. Oh, he came off. Bums me out. Thought I had a really good bass. It wasn't until it got about 20 feet in front of me that I realized that it was a gar. Last cast. That's plural. I really do got to get going. I want to get back while they're still light. Oh, big old fish over here. Got him. Oh. That's a bass, baby. Come here, lovely. Popped right off. Look at that. There you go. Woo! Alright guys, that shuts it down. This is probably 2.5. I mean, if he was full length, man, he'd be a 3-pounder all day. He's a short, stocky little guy. Alright, man, thank you, buddy. Big fatty. Here you go. Let's actually get a release on you. Later, buddy. Man, what an awesome run of frog fishing. Got her done, man. SLX, brown frog. Alright, we are back ashore, guys. Man, I can't even put into words how much fun it is to catch topwater fish. But when it's frog fish and you're catching them out of vegetation, it ups it a whole nother level. I mean, you're throwing it on heavy gear, heavy line. You know, I'm speechless. I missed that really big fish. The fish I was catching were, decent. But, gosh, so much fun. So glad I got to bring you guys along. And I figured I'd just show you right here what I was using. I was throwing a 7'2" heavy fast action Shimano SLX, and I have that paired up with an SLX as well. It's an A2-1. Tell you what, this has had a lot of buzz behind it, and it holds up to it. It's one of my favorite rods. I certainly like the X-Age better as far as the rod goes. The reel, I think, unless you start buying the really expensive Shimanos, it's the reel to get. And I mean that for anybody. It's $100. It's just a killer reel. But yeah, got the SLX combo here, 7'2". Heavy fast action, and I was throwing the frog the whole time, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot. I know there isn't many of you guys watching, but it's pretty dang cool. So if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for videos you want me to do, drop those down below, guys. And if you guys like frog fishing, man, and you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and man, subscribe. Like I said, much more content to come. I truly mean it. Appreciate the watch, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.